Let's take a look now at quite an interesting example of a compact, structured promotional message which has been sent out by one instructor. The beauty about this message is that it's actually very easy for the student to read, but it's still got some essential messages in it which are important, and I think it's a really interesting example. This is the whole of the message, so it's all on one page here, but I'm going to take you through it step by step. He starts off with the hook, which is really encouraging you to save more than 90% on his course. And this brief intro follows on from that title. So he's happy to share with you a special offer. So hopefully he's getting you interested. I really like the image meme because it draws your eye. You read it. The course he's promoting is about willpower. And I think it's a very clever use of an image. And it gets you into understanding the benefits of the course. It's a skill you develop through understanding and practice. So this is something that you really need to know. And if you take the message from that image, then you're going to be interested in the rest of the letter. Then he gives you a quick summary of the course with the key benefit to build your self-control. Now, he could do more to highlight that, but the message is there. And then he has his first call to action, which is bold. It's a link and it's got the course name in it. And it's very easy to understand that that's where you have to click if that's where you want to get the course. Then he goes on and gives you the key benefits of the course, or at least 6 of them, 5 of them, and then much more. But it's, again, compact, easy to scan because of the bullets, and that makes it very easy to read. And then it's a call to action. Join me in this very popular course. Social proof almost embedded in that, but he's encouraging you to join. It's not an order, a control. It's come and join me. It's quite welcoming, and he gives you the price and gives, instead of 200, so you can see it's a great discount. And then he's got another call to action, which is basically the course link, which means that if you have any trouble finding it, you've got that information and you can see the code as well. And that's important information. So in the first one, he's given you some anchor text, which has got a link in it. And on this one, he's actually given you the link. So you've got both. There's no excuse. And then finally, this course has been very well received. You've got some social proof there, lots of 5-star ratings. He could have given you a couple of those as examples, but he's keeping this really short. So he mentions them instead. And then he signs off, willpower is a skill. It's not an innate virtue, and this course will teach you how to build it. So it's like a sort of final sort of call to action, but without any hard sell. And you come away from this thinking, well, I could really, do about improving my skills in this area. Maybe I want to buy it. So you see how quite a compact course has got lots of interesting component parts in it. So a compact announcement. And as such, I think it's a very effective way to write an announcement, and it's easy for you to replicate. So I hope you find that one helpful. So I've called this a compact, structured promotional message, and it's something that you could reproduce quite easily yourself.